Welcome to Sweet Life Beat Life. We hope this video helps.
In this video, I will explain how to set up the CNBC app. First, locate and download the CNBC app from your device's App Store, whether it's the Apple App Store or Google Play. Once installed, open the app and you'll be prompted to create a free account or log in if you already have one. This step is crucial for saving your preferences. Finally, grant any necessary permissions, like notifications, to ensure you receive timely market updates and news alerts. Now that you're logged in, let's personalize your experience. Navigate to the watchlist section to add your favorite stocks, cryptocurrencies, or market indices. This allows for quick access to their performance. Next, explore the Settings or Preferences menu to customize your newsfeed. You can select specific industries or topics that interest you most. Don't forget to set up personalized alerts for significant price changes or breaking news on your tracked assets. The CNBC app offers more than just basic news. Dive into the Live TV section to stream CNBC broadcasts directly on your device or catch up with on-demand videos. For deeper analysis, explore the advanced charting tools available for individual stocks and commodities. These tools provide detailed historical data and technical indicators. Additionally, make sure to check out the Opinions or Analysis sections for expert insights and market commentary from leading financial professionals. To ensure the best experience, always keep your CNBC app updated to the latest version. Developers frequently release updates with new features and bug fixes. If you encounter any technical glitches, try clearing the app's cache through your device settings. This often resolves minor issues. For more in-depth troubleshooting, CNBC Support section is a great resource. Also, for those looking to streamline their daily routine, check the description below for a link to some fantastic leak-proof meal prep containers and other great deals.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if we helped you.